One of the most important aspects of 3D printing is accuracy, and the F123 series is designed with features that ensure you get the accurate results you need. For instance, the closed-loop servo motors tells us exactly where the head is at all times, and therefore we understand and we know for a fact that we are in the correct position. With a desktop printer, they don't use servo motors, they use stepper motors. And what stepper motors do is they just move where they think they need the motion to be. There's no feedback loop to understand that all of a sudden the part is shifted, the head is shifted, and you'll have a failed part. Superior temperature control also ensures accuracy. A highly specialized electronic temperature control algorithm maintains accurate temperature across the entire build tray, eliminating dead zones and allowing you to print long, flat, and high-density parts with no curl. Another key factor in preventing part curl is the airflow design. It maintains accurate temperatures at the point of extrusion. The insulated build chamber, double wall door, and double wall oven maintain the desired build chamber temperature, and the cross chamber ventilation maintains consistent temperature across the entire build platform. Most desktop printers have open, unheated build areas, and the few that are enclosed only trap heat or offer single-side heating. They cannot control for curl. Without the oven, they have to build sparse parts that are weak with low infill, meaning that you have the outside shape of the part, and on the inside, it's very sparse. The F123 series can build solid parts that are strong. And of course, the F123 series is not only designed for accuracy, but also to make accuracy easy. The belts are made of dependable, high-quality Kevlar that is resistant to wear and stretching. If you don't have a belt that is stiff, that doesn't stretch, you can't get consistent accuracy when you are moving the extruder. So for instance, when you move from one location to the other location, if that head doesn't come back to the same location, you would see that on a print by shifts in the layer. And so on a lower cost printer, you're going to see some displacement or shifts in that Z layer because of some of the inaccuracies from belts and some of the other motion systems. With this, we have tested and designed in to eliminate the hysteresis, and so therefore our layer-to-layer uniformity and our part ultimately looks very good. To be sure your print matches your design, rely on the accuracy of the F123 series.